So today we are going to be seeing how can we make our own multimeter probe. So here I am the multimeter. So here I have taken the multimeter, and what I am going to be doing is I will just measure the length of this where we are going to be placing the probes. So if I just hook it up, and well, this would be the length. It is approximately 1 centimeter. So what I'm going to be doing is right now I'm taking a metal sheet, or if you have any copper sheet you can take, and you can measure 1 centimeter here and just mark down it and just cut it off. Okay, so after cutting off here I get sheet like this, which would be approximately 1 centimeter, and I'm taking two sheets like that. So here after taking the sheet, you need to see the size of this one hole, and just scramble this like this. And after scrambling we get two pieces like this. So here let me take this multimeter, and as you can see here we can place this right here like this. So now let us remove this, and right now for the multimeter probes wire I'm going to be using this wire. You can also use any such wire, such like that, like this. You can also use any wire. So this is basically a multi-strand wire, which is about some 30 centimeters of length. And here I am taking two big wires, something like this. I have just removed the copper inside it so that I can get a hole in, and I can use this as a grip for this. For this I can use it as a grip. Alright, so here I will just cut it down to the same size. Alright, so here I have two wires of same size so that I can insert these as well as in the breadboard circuits. Okay, so in this I will take one wire of the probe and place it inside it. Okay, and I will take another wire as well and place this also inside it. Okay, place this also. So here this part is ready, and right now here what we need to do is we need to attach a single strand wire. So let us do that. Alright, so here I have bought a single strand wire, so I will just cut it off. So here I have two single strand wires. So what I'm going to be doing is I will just solder this wire here. Alright, so I have here cut this wire little so that I can solder it correctly. I will cut this wire also. Alright, so let me just put little paste to this and solder this. Alright, so let me put some soldering paste to it. And make sure to wear the mask while soldering. And now I am going to be soldering this as well. And here make sure you have soldered correctly, as you are going to be tightening this like this little, and you can just bend it off here like this, so that you can attach this into the breadboard correctly. And same like this I'm going to be doing to the other probe as well. Alright, so here I have made two probes like this. So right now what we are going to be doing is, we will take the other side of the probe and we are going to be soldering this. We are going to be soldering this to these two. Here I am going to be adding little soldering paste to it, and I'll just solder it. Alright, so now I am going to be soldering this wire right now, like this, like here. Like this I am going to be soldering. Here we cannot solder this aluminum, so what we are going to be doing is, we are going to be taking single strand wire only, but the material is copper. So alright, so here I have made two copper thing like this. I have just rounded it at the correct shape so that I can place this to the multimeters. Now I will solder this to the multimeter probes. Alright, so right now I have soldered this. Right now solder to another probe. Alright, so right now I have soldered the probes to this part of the copper which needs to be placed in the multimeter area. So now let's place it and test this. Alright, so here I am going to be doing the continuity test so that I can verify. Alright, so here I have taken the multimeter, and now let me place this here. So basically right now I'm going to be checking whether the probes are working or not. So I placed it here. Now I will put this to the continuity checking mode. Alright, so I have placed this to the continuity checking mode. Now let me take the two ends of the probe and touch to it. I think you are able to hear the sound, which means that the probes are working together correctly. So there is no wrong connections or loose connections right here. So thank you.